How it feels to chew 5 gum.
Oh, oh.
New 5 gum. Stimulate your senses.
So another video. Today we're destroying this vacuum cleaner that does not work. Don't worry, it does not work.
Yeah, we're not that kind of YouTube channel who buys $1,000 things and smashes them.
Yeah.
So we got a bat, a techno giving thingy, and ourselves.
Yes.
At the end, we're gonna take it and flip it over our heads. So stay. Watch that.
So first one would be like, you know, the Olympic Games type thing. Javelin throw.
I don't want to do this, kid.
Okay. So. So, I'm just gonna throw it up in the air.
That did a little bit more than we thought. Okay, we're not gonna do that again because like it did a lot to it. It like broke it already. My turn. I'm gonna hit it with a baseball bat. And don't comment down below. I swing like a girl. I don't. I swing like a lady. Now, it's just because it's low. Otherwise, I'd swing like. Alright. This is for my mother!
Oh, flying shrapnel everywhere. Okay.
Mess with her!
Okay,
That was fun!
That's from the filter.
Hey, I need. You can use that thing.
Yes.
Do that one. The motor. Yeah, whatever.
Okay.
It was fun.
So, if I may direct your attention over here.
You got like. Yeah, I am. Don't judge my skills on being a cameraman.
Yeah, nice little platform here. I'm gonna go from here.
Now do. Okay.
Right here, down of course.
Oh, geez. That piece hit my leg. I did not expect that to go like that. I think we might not do the promise that we made to your mom. Pick every piece up. There's some small pieces.
Okay. I'm gonna hit
That's just gonna here. Do the baseball bat with that. Just like see how far we can get it.
Just boot it.
Your arm's a cannon, Caleb. Don't forget.
I didn't get it far, but I hit it hard.
Okay, now.
No, I got the lid. This is the lid. Down the course.
Jeez! It almost hit me. My turn. You done now?
Yep.
My turn.
Oh. Yeah.
Now.
Please thumbs up. Is this gonna take hours to pick up?
Hours. About an hour. Okay. I'm gonna focus my attention back onto the vacuum. So one last blow, and then we're gonna swing it around, just chuck it on the ground. That rhymes. Alright, 3, 2, 1. You know what I just realized?
What?
We forgot to get a thumbnail!
Hey, whatever.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay. So.
Recording? Okay.
So.
Do you want to fling it around, or like?
Yeah.
Let's see
Cord's
here.
still attached here, so I can. So. Ready for this?
Oh! The cord disconnected.
Okay. Now I got a bit better.
This is what it looks like when like somebody dies.
Here we go.
No, it's my turn, Caleb.
No, I didn't really get a good. Get a good one.
Oh! Oh! Oh man! That's fun. We should do two in one video. My turn.
Oh jeez.
There you go. I'm gonna go for a little bit different technique.
We're gonna swing it around with the.
Nope, I'm not doing that. It doesn't work. I can't swing it. Okay. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. That was very uneventful.
That was very anticlimactic.
Oh, I'm gonna rip this thing out.
Better not swing come toward me.
Oh, I got it on my head! How do you sit down? Got kind of dizzy there. Look, it's not supposed to be stretched out. But like it's stretched out. See, the vacuum cleaner is crying inside. So like, I'm gonna take it. Oh.
Like some gymnast.
Maybe I should do the javelin.
You try to javelin it?
Yeah, you can try that.
Oh, me try that? Try what?
You tried that.
I ain't gonna swing it.
No, you're gonna javelin. Throw it. Go.
Oh, geez, you got
Oh. Oh. Okay, my turn. It's super dark and windy out. It's like the audio might be terrible.
Hey guys, we're back with another ASMR video.
Hello, this is my finest to do ASMR. I hope you like it. Today, we are smashing a vacuum cleaner. Let's do this.
my version of ASMR.
Your version of ASMR?
Yes.
He said my version of ASMR. You didn't hear him? Stupid. Put the money in the bag. You guys know that meme? It's a Christian channel. The Christians here. Not gonna finish that meme. I'm gonna swing it again.
You're gonna swing it again?
Yeah. That was fun. You should
Okay.
try it, Caleb.
I want to tell you, it does not look that fun on video.
It looks fun, okay?
Okay.
Oh! Ah! I hit myself in the leg!
All the way.
Okay.
Like,
I'm gonna hit him with the bat.
you're gonna hit with the bat?
Yeah. This will be fun.
With the bat.
We're friends. What'd you say? That's not very nice. What? What? Stand up when you talk to me.
Chew 5 gum.
Oh, oh.
New 5 gum. Stimulate your senses.
That's what I thought.
Is it good that it's smoking?
I'm pretty sure that's just dust, but let's say it's smoke.
Okay, this is
No!
no.
No. You can do the other side. And some people say I'm not athletic.
Oh. Yeah, when it comes to destroying things,
I'm basically the Usain Bolt of destroying things. You gotta do what I do, just rapid fire. Oh, it's coming fire! It's coming fire! Gonna get up close and personal. Oh! Oh!
ready for this?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh. That worked.
And people say he's athletic. Oh! Okay. Okay.
No. Here it goes.
Would you like? No, I want to do that.
I just want to javelin it.
Okay. Alright, now he's gonna pitch it up to me, and I'm gonna hit it with the baseball bat. Okay, you ready? I feel like first thing here.
I'm just gonna like toss them.
3, 2, 1. What'd you say? This is way too much fun doing this. Oh, it's way easier now. Okay. So like, you kind of got the bottom off. Like it can't really stand, but it can do this.
Huh.
So like, here we go. Didn't work.
No, it didn't.
Woo! 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 Can we get demonetized?
I don't know.
Gosh dang it, PewDiePie! Woo! Woo! Pew, 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 pew! You need to put some like animations on that. You know when people just like spit on dead bodies?
That is gross.
Don't want to touch it now, do you?
The baseball bat.
Oh! Now your turn. If you ever need to get any anger out, get a vacuum cleaner.
Can it stand anymore?
Probably not. Ooh.
Or should I hit the cord?
Hit the cords. Oh!
Oh!
Oh! What is that? What is that?
What is that?
Whoa!
What the heck?
You guys, comment down below if any of this stuff was in vacuum cleaners. It's crazy.
Hold on. No.
You ever want to trip out your friends? Oh, it broke off and hit me. Ouch!
Oh,
Seriously, like, when they were making vacuum cleaners, someone said, let's put metal strings in it. They're like, you're stupid. He went on to make his own vacuum cleaner company. He's a billionaire now.
Hit it one more time. Here we are, right?
Ready. Oh!
Oh man, that hurt.
My turn.
Well, yeah.
Wait, not yet. Let me follow it. 3, 2, 1. That did nothing. Yeah, throw it back now. Oh, it landed! Oh, bottle flips are coming back, baby!
Oh.
I didn't even mean to break anything off. I just have a random pole. Ouch! Oh, careful.
So, I think this is destroyed.
Hey, I forgot. Did we ask your mom to do this? Oh, crap, we didn't. Angela! Back up! Okay, this is really fun. Are they in the garage? Yeah, voices of that dead vacuum cleaner.
And this will not be the end of the vacuum cleaner. You'll say goodbye to our good friend. So if you enjoyed this video, click like, and subscribe.
Did we ever check that? We started that vlogging challenge, didn't we? What did we say that was?
I don't think we got enough likes, but if you want vlogs, click like.
50K likes.
Yes, 50,000 likes.
Nope, 5 likes. 5 likes.
No.
5 likes, I buy a Lambo.
Okay, 5 likes, you buy Lando.
Lando?
Lando, yes.
Lambo. Your vacuum cleaners are deadly. See ya!